Hello all. In this video, we are going to solve question number 30 of exercise 4A. Question number 30 came in CBSE 2015 exam. Question number 30 is x square plus 3 root 3x minus 30. We will compare this equation with general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. A is 1, B is 3 root 3 and C is minus 30. Now if we take prime factors of 30, so it is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now we need to find two such number from these prime factors where addition of the number should be 3 root 3. So what we will do, we will first of all rewrite this as 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root 3. Now if we take these two and these two, it will be 2 root 3 and 5 root 3. Now if we take minus 2 root 3 and 5 root 3, addition of the numbers will be 3 root 3 and multiplication of the numbers will be minus 30. So we will rewrite the equation as x square 3 root 3x we will rewrite as 5 root 3x minus 2 root 3x minus 30 equals to 0. Now we need to take common from these two terms. What we can take common? X we can take common. What will left inside? X for this term and 5 root 3 for this term. Now from these two terms, what we can take common? 2 root 3 we can take common. Minus 2 root 3 we can take common. So what will left for this term? X will left for this term, and we have seen 2 root 3 and 5 root 3 were the prime like a multiplication of 30. So if we take 2 root 3 out, what will left? 5 root 3 will left. Now we can take x plus 5 root 3 outside. What will remain inside? X minus 2 root 3 will remain inside. Now to know value of x, we will keep x plus 5 root 3 as 0 and x minus 2 root 3 as 0. Now what will be the value of x from here? Value of x from here will be minus 5 root 3 and value of x from here will be x equals to 2 root 3.